Every morning, long before the first shipment leaves the dock, industrial control systems are already at work. Pumps move, valves adjust, lines run. Behind the scenes, legacy equipment, new technologies, and complex networks operate together in ways no one originally planned. None of them were designed with today's threat landscape in mind. One weak point can slow production, disrupt supply chains, or compromise safety. Securing these systems requires more than general IT knowledge. You need training built for industrial automation. That is where the International Society of Automation comes in. ISA develops and maintains the ISA IEC 62443 standards, the only consensus-based cybersecurity standards created specifically for industrial automation and control systems. Asset owners, suppliers, and governments across the globe rely on this framework to guide their cybersecurity strategy. When you train with ISA, you learn from the organization that built the standard. You gain clarity on the structure, the intent, and how to apply it in real facilities under real-world constraints. The ISA IEC 62443 Cybersecurity Certificate Program follows the full life cycle of industrial cybersecurity. From foundational knowledge to long-term resilience, each step builds practical capability. Certificate 1 establishes the groundwork. You learn the terminology, the architecture concepts, and how the standard translates to operational environments. Certificate 2 sharpens your ability to identify vulnerabilities and evaluate risk. You learn how to prioritize actions in both new designs and existing systems. Certificate 3 focuses on secure system design. You build architectures that align with 62443 requirements while supporting performance and reliability. Certificate 4 addresses long-term sustainability. You develop processes that keep protections current and operations resilient as systems evolve. Complete all 4 certificates and earn the ISA IEC 62443 Cybersecurity Expert designation, a globally recognized benchmark of industrial cybersecurity expertise for professionals ready to move quickly. The ISA 62443 Cybersecurity Fast Track course, also known as IC48, delivers advanced content from certificates 2, 3, and 4 in 5 intensive days. Completion of the fundamental certificate is required before enrollment. After that, you may take the remaining exams in any order and work toward the expert designation on your timeline. ISA training is purpose-built for control systems. Every course reflects operational realities, legacy constraints, and lifecycle management challenges unique to industrial environments. Instructors bring hands-on experience, highlighting common challenges and practical solutions that align with ISA IEC 62443 requirements. Instructors bring field experience. They understand production pressures, safety requirements, and the practical trade-offs teams face every day. Exams measure application, not memorization. Passing demonstrates that you can use the framework to make sound decisions that protect operations. This level of rigor is why organizations around the world trust the certificate program. Industrial cybersecurity leaves no room for guesswork. The ISA IEC 62443 certificate program equips you with the knowledge, practical skills, and credibility to safeguard your systems and strengthen your career. Learn from the standard's creator. Earn credentials that matter. Register today at isa.org.